hata tano upige honi.
Tujue.
Poa.
Moja.
Kahora nona na andũ matige ona tatare wari ũndũrarĩ wama mũndũ nĩ wama na andũ aingĩ nĩ makiuga ndĩ mũrebi ta rĩu niĩ maũndũ maya ma COVID moka ndahingĩrwo kĩrabu nĩ ndakirire ngĩkĩũria rĩu ndĩkaga atĩa ndagĩtinda nyũmba ngĩona nĩ wega ngĩthiĩ handũ ngakĩoyaga mahiga.
Ni bwanangu na tumekuja hapa, nimemleta achukue zawadi yake, kwa sababu akichukua pale atasaidikia, mimi pia nitasaidikia.
Because the story that brought our brother to us is obviously not a story of business success. It's a story of businesses that he has tried to do and they did not work out. And today we are here. We are very delighted and very grateful also to him for trusting the process. He has been attending a lot of trainings here in these premises. He has been counseled by a lot of people. He's been counseled on personal management, on dealing with failure,